What's in the bag, Irene?
Ladybugs. We got our shipment of ladybugs, lacewings, and predatory mites today. The ladybugs are the lacewings and mites come as kind of eggy sort of things, but these guys are already alive, so we wanted to get them out, and they right away. I went ahead and got the nectar that goes with this stuff, and we're supposed to spray our plants with it a little bit, and then sprinkle these guys on. I assume what they're trying to do is entice the ladybugs to wander around on the plants, but with the nectar. And then while they're there, they'll go, "Oh, look, here's a bug." But these ladybugs are way healthier than the ones I've ever seen in the grocery store, or not the grocery store, but big box stores. So that's cool. Ladybugs crawling around them. This reminds me of the time we were up in the mountains when it was swarming ladybugs.
No.
There's a lot of thrips down here on the beets, which is why and they're swarming all over the beets going, "Ooh, tasty!"
Now we're doing this at dusk because that's the time when the ladybugs won't be trying to hide and fly away. And they'll be out doing their hunting and scavenging of all the nasty things that we have in here, especially the thrips.
Yeah, we have, and I was noticing a few other random bugs in here today too, and I'm like, because these are sort of a generalized predator, they'll eat most anything. Got ladybugs growing on me. Good thing I don't mind ladybugs. I'll sprinkle the wood chips around with the ladybugs on them. Set this here and they'll do their thing now. Let's see. I think I've got a little bit of cool. We still have the other things to let go, but I think we'll do them by the light of day. These I really wanted to get out tonight because they said release them at either sunrise or, like dawn or dusk. Yeah, these guys are crawling all over these plants. Going, tasty! Yeah, they're going in every little nook and cranny on the holes and everything else, looking around to see what they can find, which is great because I think there was either a spider or a spider mite in here earlier today too, and I thought to myself, really? Now we're gonna have spider mites too?
They're looking for dinner.
They are. This is fun. I like ladybugs. Really, I have a ladybug in my pants.